I'm going to try building a couple slabs of edge. This is a piece I've used before, so it's already got a flat top on it. We'll see how it turns out, and I'm going to take you with me. It's been a while since I milled. I need to go down and get a clamp. You already saw me miss a wedge, that I needed a wedge. I need to go down and get a clamp so that that board can't slide off the end, because I had to stop and fix it. All right, I left a nasty mark on my milled piece. On this, the top board, not the bottom board. And I think that was mostly because I slide and I couldn't control it. So I was working the saw trying to control it from sliding. So I'll fix that and then I will slide to the next cut. Yeah, about an inch, that's what I wanted. Pretty happy with it. Go get clamps so that it can't slide off the end. I just put a clamp down here on the end of the board so that it can't slide off. And I might go get some clamps. Now I have to clamp my bottom board too so that it won't slide. But I'll be right back. I got the two clamps. I'm going to try to make another cut. And I think this one probably goes smoother because I remembered all the things I need. Probably do one more cut, but I have to watch that I don't catch my plant down there. That turned out. Yeah, it certainly wasn't what I would have liked, but it didn't really exceed what I would have had to take off for checking anyway, so. All right. Yeah, this wouldn't make a full depth one anyway. Thanks for playing with me here. I did some practice with mill. I just want to make sure my setup was all still good, and it is. I'll set up a cutting board and I'll take you through that whole thing too.